Silver haul. A sterling silver jewelry unboxing. This is the way I'm going right now as far as stacking silver because I could sell it as jewelry with a little bit more of a premium. I don't get stuck as much. Like I don't feel bad selling it. Like I don't want to sell my silver, my pure silver. So instead, we get the sterling silver jewelry, and then the stuff that we scrap we melt down. This one, I believe it was from Macari, and it's supposed to be 149 grams. All sterling, it says. So let's get this open, and we want to weigh it up first thing foremost. Sorry, in grams. Oh, we got the bag here, so 154. That's with the bag. So let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, there's a bead there. Alright, we got a kind of warped bangle. It is stamped sterling. An LM with a heart. You can see where it's been resized. Got an earring. An earring. A little stud earring. Earring back. This looks like a tie pin or a lapel pin. We have a little charm here. It says heart to shop. The bag's actually open. We've got this crazy looking earring here. Sterling, and it says Masha. Have this tiny little cross. Tiny little flip-flop. A little piece of chain. Looks like an earring. It's a little turtle. We have a little angel. Got a weird pin there. Just says oratory. We have a shell earring. We have, this looks like a, it says Reformed SS. It's gotta be a religious pin. Earring. We have a St. Anthony pendant, but it looks pretty tore up. And Oh no. Gonna have to definitely test this one out. Have this jazzy looking earring. It is pretty warped though. We have a teapot. Some earrings. Earring stuff. It's like some cut up pieces of jewelry. We have it looks like to be a class ring for someone named Paige. It says Rosebud on the side. In 2016. There's the other shell earring. I have it looks like a Freemason type pendant. We have a Canada pin. That's pretty nice. I could definitely resell that. We have a very warped ring. This is just a blank piece. This one is I really don't know what this is. Gonna have to look that one up. Victoria Del. Really weird. Never seen nothing like that. Just M. It's a little like Pandora bead. Of the Statue of Liberty. This says, Saint Christopher, protect us. Very beautiful oxidation on there. This is definitely something I can resell and probably at a very good price. This is a Native American. Very nice piece. This little butterfly charm. of this very, very beautiful bracelet. It's definitely resellable. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Everything else is basically scrapped, and then there's all these chains. I'm not gonna go through all that on camera because it's gonna take forever. But anyways, there's another way to stack silver. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.